welcome back. So a customer supplied their own glass pack cherry bomb, and he wanted to upgrade his resonator. My honest opinion is customers shouldn't be supplying their own parts, but it is what it is. We can make this fit. So look at this. You ready? You see that? You see the inside of that? How about the inside of this? So, in my opinion, if you have a stock resonator on your stock engine, stock exhaust system, and you're just upgrading your resonator, that is not worth doing whatsoever. So I don't know who's advising people out here, but this is the second time this year that someone came in and said, hey, can you just replace my resonator with a resonator? And I was like, it's not going to make any difference. If you have a performance exhaust system and it has a resonator in it, and then you change the resonator out to a more straight pipe, like this is basically straight pipe. So you have about 8 or 10 inches of straight pipe in there, and then you have this baffled area that grabs the exhaust sound and flow. So that is this wide. So this is straight. This is almost no different than that, just in a different configuration. So my opinion is resonator for resonator is a waste of time, unless you have like a 2-foot resonator and then you want to go with like a 6 or 8 inch or a 10 inch resonator, then it would be optimal, but you're not really gaining anything by doing this. You might as well just go for a straight resonator delete. Thanks for watching.